Alright guys, look at what I got from Amazon. Cauliflower flour. It is supposed to be used for baking, soups and stews and chili and all, but I'm going to use it to make cauliflower fufu. I'll show you how I use it. This is how the cauliflower flour looks like, and it is very low in calories. So 1 tablespoon is 30 calories with 7 grams of carbs in 1 tablespoon. Okay, so we're going to make cauliflower fufu. In here I have water that is boiling. I'm going to put about, what is that, 1 cup? I don't know. And then we're going to put some of the cauliflower in there. Alright, so I have about 4 tablespoons of the cauliflower flour. All right, and what I'm adding right now is psyllium husk. It's a colon cleanser. It helps you go, but the purpose of that in here is to bind our cauliflower flour to make the fufu. But that looks like it was too much water. So the water is too much, but I'm going to add more of that flour in there now, just to bring the consistency right. See, it's coming together. And guys, this is what we have. See how it's come together nicely. So it's ready to go with my okra soup. And then tomorrow I'm going to be so happy when I go to the bathroom because of all that fiber coming from the psyllium husk. Try it. It's on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in the description box.